guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Aria, and if you're new here, I'll be really happy if you just go below and subscribe to my channel. Oh my god guys, it's been so long since I have posted my last video, and I don't know why, but I just wanted to take break for a while. That's why I didn't post anything in my channel for like few weeks. So guys, now I'm finally back again, and today's video is gonna be a makeup video. So without further ado, I think I'll just get into the video, and also do keep watching, and all the products which I'm gonna use will be linked in the description box below. So yeah, let's get started guys. So guys, the first product that I am gonna use is this moisturizer, and you know, as always, I'm gonna use this one again because I just love this moisturizer. So yeah. And guys, now I'm gonna prime my face using this primer, and this is the Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect makeup primer. And you know, it's very much important for us to apply primer before applying any kind of makeup, because it acts as a layer between our skin and the makeup, and it like protects our skin from getting damaged due to the makeup products. So yeah. So guys, the next product that I'm gonna use is the concealer, and today I'm gonna use the concealer first, and then I'm gonna apply foundation, because I think that gives you a more flawless look. So yeah. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna use my foundation, and I'm gonna use this foundation, and this is as usual the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless foundations in the shade Beige Soleil. So guys, my base is like almost done, and now I'm gonna bake my under eyes and this area, and then I'll do my eye makeup first, and then I'll do the rest of it. So yeah. For my eyes, I am gonna use this palette by Makeup Revolution, and I am going to use this bright colors over here, which is like in the yellow shade, also the orange shade. So guys, for this transition color, I have used this orange shade over here, and also guys, I have used this palette of Makeup Revolution, which is, I think, the reloaded one, and the shades are, you know, the colors are a bit funky, and that's like perfect. So guys, now for my inner crease of the eyes, I'm gonna use this yellow color over here. guys, now I'm gonna apply the eyeliner and rest of the eye makeup. So yeah. So guys, I have like already applied my eyeliner, and this is how it's looking right now. So guys, I am like almost done with my eye makeup, and now I'll move on to the rest of my face, and then I'll be all done. So yeah, let's do the contouring now. And for contouring, I am using this palette by Maybelline, and this is their Master Contour palette. And guys, now I'm gonna use this blush from the same palette. So yeah. Now I'm done, and now I'm gonna apply the highlighter. And for the highlighter, I'm gonna use the liquid highlighter by NYX, which is Born to Glow, and it is in the shade Ugly. So guys, I'm gonna apply it in my cheekbone and the higher points of my face. So yeah. So guys, now I'm almost done with my face, and the last and the final step which is left now is my lipstick. And I am gonna use this lip shade by Nykaa, and it is their mini matte. So this is kind of a nude color. For that, I am gonna line my lips using this lip pencil, and this is the Nykaa Lips Don't Lie, and this is in the shade Chocolate Boy. So yeah. So I have like already lined my lips, and now I'm gonna apply the lipstick. So yeah, I am done with my face, and now this is my ultimate look. So guys, this is what my final look looks like, and you can see the eye makeup. So guys, I hope you guys will enjoy this video, and don't forget to hit that like button below if you like this video. So take care guys, bye, and I'll meet you in my next video.